I'm Jack, I'm from Talbot. I studied my law and French degree here at Cardiff and now I'm on the bar training course. A pro bono project essentially is providing free legal advice and assistance to those who necessarily would not be able to afford it. I've worked on the NHS Continuing Healthcare Scheme, which is with Hugh James, a leading law firm in Cardiff. I'm also part of the Family Law Self-Help Assistance Programme, and I'm also a Age Cymru advocate for the elderly and their carers. They're very different pro bono projects, but from all three of them I've been able to develop my skills personally, specifically my independent research skills, but also my team working skills by having the opportunity to collaborate with other like-minded students. I think the main selling point is the exposure that you have to different areas of law and particularly niche practice areas that you wouldn't necessarily come across in an ordinary high street law firm. Additionally, it's the benefits that you gain from them, particularly when you're coming to writing applications or drafting cover letters in your CVs. You get to develop the skills that are required for a career in law. I think they're important not only because it's good to give back to your community, but it helps you develop professionally and personally. I would strongly encourage any student who's thinking about taking part in a pro bono project. Trying to get a job after your law degree or your postgraduate diploma can be very difficult, and so these pro bono projects give you opportunities and experiences to speak about in your applications that set you apart from other students and applicants. It's an opportunity to not only develop yourself personally, but you do have quite a lot of fun with these projects, and that's definitely the best part of them.